Welcome to this comprehensive guide on residential electrical grounding systems. Understanding proper grounding is essential for electrical safety in your home. Remember the key difference. The white neutral wire returns the power, while the green ground wire protects people by providing a safe path for fault current. Grounding connects the system to the earth, protecting against lightning and high voltage. Bonding connects metal parts to create a low-resistance path to trip the circuit breaker. It is critical that the neutral and ground wires connect only at the main electrical panel. In subpanels, they must always be kept separate. The earth naturally resists electricity and will not reliably trip the breaker during a fault. This is why a bonding wire must be installed to create a protective circuit. Bad grounding presents clear warning signs. Look for flickering lights, scorch marks on outlets, and be aware of any mild electrical shocks you may feel. Sparks on a ground wire indicate extreme danger. This suggests the utility neutral wire has broken, and electricity is using the ground connection as an escape route. A 3-hole outlet does not guarantee a ground. Older homes may lack the essential ground wire. You must test the outlet to confirm it is safely grounded. For quick checks, use a plug-in tester. Use a multimeter for exact voltage readings. Relying only on visual inspections is insufficient for safety. If you encounter old wiring with no ground wire, you have 3 options. Use a 2-prong outlet, install a GFCI with a warning sticker, or install a new ground wire. The grounding system connects the main panel to the earth, often utilizing metal pipes, concrete rebar, and dedicated ground rods for multiple paths. Ground rods should be driven 8 feet deep. The system resistance must be 25 ohms or less. Install a second rod 6 feet away if the first one doesn't meet the resistance requirement. Surge protectors manage massive voltage spikes but need a perfect ground to function correctly. These devices should be installed at the main electrical panel. Key grounding checks include main panel bonding, ground rod depth and wire inspection, testing wet area outlets for GFCI protection, and ensuring appliances have a dedicated ground. Grounding serves as a continuous safety shield. A single broken connection compromises this shield, so it's vital to test every single connection in your system.